Hey, how's it going? It's January 21st, 2022. This is your Daily Sweet Talk. I usually do both hands. I don't know why. I just realized I only did one hand that time. Um, you guys ever had Cinnamon Toast Crunch? The cereal, the breakfast cereal? All cereals are breakfast cereals for some reason, even though they're not really good breakfast food. I'm kind of wasting time talking about that because I have a lot to say about Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Um, I don't. I think Cinnamon Toast Crunch is all right. You know, it's a decent cereal. I kind of prefer French Toast Crunch, even though it is corn based. Is Cinnamon Toast Crunch corn based? If it is, it's so thin that it doesn't really scrape your mouth like a lot of corn based cereals do, including French Toast Crunch. Which French Toast Crunch is a completely different consistency. I wonder if Cinnamon Toast Crunch was originally similar to that. I don't know. I'm not sure if they still sell French Toast Crunch. I know they were selling like a throwback version a while ago. Um, but now there's so many Cinnamon Toast Crunch products in stores. First of all, we have all the variations: sugar cookie toast crunch, apple pie toast crunch. Those are two recent ones, but there's so many like that. And the list goes on and on. And I don't really get it. Like, okay, cinnamon toast crunch, French toast crunch. Sure, maybe there was a raisin bread toast crunch or something. Probably not, but there's stuff like that. But sugar cookie toast isn't a thing. Apple pie toast isn't a thing. All of these things that they're adding are not things. It's like the name means nothing anymore. Um, and now that they're coming out with these like emoji versions, sure, okay, whatever. They're square, and now the whole mascot thing is just they got rid of all the scientists. Um, they had one left for a long time, and then they replaced it with these minion-looking uh, fuckers that would just eat each other like M&Ms, but so much more messed up because they're eating each other. I think Crave does that too, but they have like I think Crave does it. No, they eat chocolate. See, the Crave commercials are okay. They're basically the same thing, but they're less annoying. Um, I whatever. They're fine. I just wish they weren't the mascot. I like the scientist guy. I think that box had personality. Especially, you don't see him running around with the rest of the mascots. They don't really collaborate that much, the mascots. But you don't see. I wish that would be cool. That's another subject, but that would be cool if when Lucky Charm when Fruit Loops is Kellogg's when Cocoa Puffs had marshmallows, if it was like a collab with Lucky Charms, that would be neat. I know Kellogg's is doing stuff like that. Boycott Kellogg's. The General Mills boycott is over. I think they had a boycott, right? I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is General Mills. I'm pretty sure. I follow this blog Cerealistly, where I get a lot of cereal news. I've been collecting cereal boxes also the past few years before I found that blog. Anyway, so I don't get the whole thing with the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereals. They've been putting out in the past few years so many Cinnamon Toast Crunch tie-in products. Like they have the oatmeal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal, which I've been doing with all the General Mills cereals. Not all of them, but all the big ones, Lucky Charms, Trix. Trix, that's one. There you go. Trix with marshmallows would be a Lucky Charms crossover. But the Cocoa Puffs with marshmallows for some reason is a Swiss Miss crossover. Whatever. Anyway, a minute left, and I have a lot more to say, but so I'm trying to think what can I fit in. They have like energy bars, whatever. So there's a lot of stuff that only Cinnamon Toast Crunch has. The energy bars, um, pancake mix. They're kind of doing the same thing that Post is doing with Fruity Pebbles, but like that's pretty much the only big cereal Post has. So it makes sense that they're doing that with all the Pebbles cereals, like just totally selling it out to everything. But I don't know why General Mills is doing that with Cinnamon Toast Crunch when they have so many big products. They're doing it a little bit with Lucky Charms, but they're mainly doing it with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I don't really understand it because it's just a cinnamon flavored cereal. I don't know. What do you think about that?